Money buys the night, but cannot buy the heart. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Under the light of love, yeah. Under the lights of Port Moresby tonight, everybody's smiling, everybody looks alright. But behind those phones and designer clothes, somebody's hiding what nobody knows. Oh Lord, what have we become? She walks into the restaurant dressed in gold, a young beautiful woman with a story untold. Sitting beside a man twice her age, he gives her everything money can pay. New phone in her hand, new car at the door, hotel room waiting on the 44th floor. But when he talks about forever and home, she looks at her phone like she wants to be gone. She says he's good to me, he gives me a life, but somewhere inside she knows something ain't right. She smiles for the picture, but her heart won't smile. Money can build a mansion, but it can't make love worthwhile. Those lying eyes, those lying eyes, they tell a story that the mouth denies. Those lying eyes, you can't hide the truth, but you can't hide inside. You can wear the gold, you can drive the car, you can sleep and eat the richest stars. But when the night gets quiet and you're alone with your heart, those lying eyes will tell you who you are. From Waigani lights to the streets of Kokopo, from late to Hagen, the story can grow. A young girl dreaming of a better life, an older man promising I'll make you my wife. She tells her mother, don't worry, I'm okay, but she's living two lives from day to day. One man gives money, another gives her heart, and every secret pulls her further apart. Facebook pictures make everybody believe, but behind the smile there's a woman who grieves. Mama said, my daughter, don't sell your heart for gold. A person's true riches are worth more than what money holds. But the city keeps calling, and temptation keeps knocking. When money speaks loudly, sometimes conscience stops talking. Those lying eyes, they tell a story that the mouth denies. Those lying eyes, you can't hide the truth, but you can't hide inside. You can wear the gold, you can drive the car, you can sleep and eat the richest stars. But when the night gets quiet and you're alone with your heart, those lying eyes will tell you who you are. But this song ain't only about the woman, let's tell the truth about the man too. An older man with money and power, buying affection by the hour. He says, I can give you everything you need, but love isn't something the money can feed. Maybe his house is empty, maybe his heart is cold, maybe he's buying what he never could hold. And somewhere there's a wife waiting at home, wondering why her husband won't answer his phone. PNG, listen. What are we teaching our daughters? What are we teaching our sons? That love has a price, that beauty can be bought, that money makes a person worthy, that another person's marriage means nothing. No, a young woman deserves more than someone's wallet. A young man deserves more than someone's deception. A husband deserves honesty, a wife deserves loyalty, and children deserve to grow up knowing that love is not something you buy. The story just that character is greater than money.
You've enough height and true long I belong you.
That's all you know, enough height and true.
Enough height and true long bell belong you.
Man, money, money, em good bell or something.
That's all money.
I know you're not buying truth, la lie. You can't kiss him car, you can't kiss him house, you can't kiss him who'll get us something belong this better ground.
That's all, suppose bell belong you. You know got a manas, you been kissing one em. You know can Salim bell belong you long money. You know can bagar up him not a bella family belong kiss him like belong you. Like true em I no save I man. Those lying eyes, those lying eyes.
They tell a story that the mouth denies, yeah.
Those lying eyes,
Those lying eyes, those lying eyes.
those lying eyes.
You can fool the world, but your soul knows why. Hey, hey, hey. Gold will fade,
Cars will rust,
beauty changes,
money turns to dust.
but when the lights go down and there's nowhere left